Hello everybody, it's me Max, and today I'll be showing you how to make turkey in an oven bag. It is best if you soak your turkey for 1 to 2 hours and 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons salt, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of vinegar. Then we'll add water and mix, and then we'll put in our turkey. For our turkey marinated, we need 1 big chopped onion, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon mustard, salt and black pepper, 1 teaspoon chicken spices, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon paprika. Then mix well and let it aside for 10 minutes. Try to make a space between the skin of the turkey and the meat of the turkey, as you see. We will get a small strainer and then we will put in our mix. After that, we'll press on it with a spoon so that we can get all of the liquid. Then we'll use this liquid to put in our turkey meat, as you see. Or you can use a sharp knife to make deep holes in the turkey meat so you can put in the liquid to make it taste better. We will add 2 tablespoons oil on the mix and then we will mix well. First, we'll put the mix inside of the turkey. Then we'll put in our mix between the turkey meat and the skin, as you see. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste to the remaining mix and stir well. We will put the remaining mix on top of our turkey, as you see. Then tie the turkey legs. For the best results, put the turkey in the refrigerator for a couple hours or a whole night. It is best if you use a toothpick like you see to keep our turkey meat tender. We'll put 2 tablespoons flour in the oven bag so our turkey doesn't stick to it. In an oven pan, we'll put in our oven bag. with the turkey inside. And try to put the wings below the turkey as you see. We will close our bag on top and we will make holes with a knife like you see. We will put it in a heat oven at 400 degrees. It takes 2 hours. If you want to make sure it's cooked, then put a knife through it. And if it doesn't have any liquids, then it's cooked. And you can serve it with rice or mashed potatoes and gravy sauce. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.